Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyoti and you are watching GG Chemistry. So guys, today we are going to cover whether the private sector jobs are good or public sector. The topic is on demand. So if you are not able to decide whether you are supposed to join private or public sector after your BSc or MSc chemistry. So here I'll cover few points in the favor of public sector over private, and so let's begin. So for especially for BSc chemistry and MSc chemistry students, if you are thinking of government jobs after your graduation or post graduation in the reputed companies of India like ONGC, NTPC, HPCL, IOCL, DRDO, BARC, and many more. So, what are the benefits over private sector if you think of the government job nowadays? First is good salary. One of the biggest advantage why people choose government jobs is because of the high salary. Also, government employees receive their salary on time irrespective of the situation. Unlike private sector where there can be delays in payment. This is one of the major reason why people love government jobs. So good salary. Health insurance. Health of a person is highly unpredictable. We just don't know what a person might suffer when. Also, with even increase in the cost of hospital, it has become difficult to seek good medical care. Keeping these factors in mind, the government provides free health care for all the employees working with them. To add up, the government also taken responsibility to bear all the expenses of the employee's entire family. So this is one of the important factor nowadays, guys, in the time of COVID, that health insurance is covered in the government jobs. Not only for you, but also for your family. So one important point to think of. Allowance. For some reason, if your monthly or even yearly expenses has increased, then in such cases, you don't need to worry about if you are working in government sector, as they will take care of all your extra expenses. For example, like you are traveling too much, so they'll give you the traveling allowance, TA. Or your grocery shopping has increased, then the government provide dearness allowance, DA. These benefits are not provided in many private sectors job, but are fully assured in government jobs. Allowance. Vacations. We all love to have vacations where we can spend time with our family and friends. The government offers many holidays throughout the year. In case of private job, there are hardly any holidays awarded to employees apart from the usual ones. So vacations is another point. Housing benefits. This is probably the best advantage you can take of the government job. Nowadays, it has become very difficult for a common man to either buy or rent a house. This is where being a government employee will work in favor for you. The government provides you a home at government quarters where you can stay with just a minimal or completely free of cost. This will allow you to save a good amount of money in housing, right? So housing benefit is, I feel, is one of the biggest point to think of in present scenario. Complete insurance after retirement. A big disadvantage of working at a private sector is that after your retirement, you don't get enough money which allows you to stay stress free and enjoy the rest of your life peacefully. But if you are associated with the government as an employee, then after your retirement, you tend to receive complete insurance of your life. Hence, you will not have to worry about your future and can retire peacefully with a handsome amount of money as pension. So, pension is a scheme which is a very attractive feature of the government job, which you will not get in the private sector job. So, another point to think of after your retirement in the old age. Social security. So, if you are working with a private sector firm, there is no guarantee of a job security. One can be thrown out of the company any moment if the company is not making profit. This is where government jobs will benefit you. In government job, one gets salary on time, free health care, lifelong pension, and other allowance that will enable you to live life without worries. So, social security is another important point in the time of COVID, where a private sector job is highly unpredictable. Job security. When private companies don't make desirable profits, it has become mandatory for them to lay off their employees in order to keep their company running with minimal low loss possible. While working as a government employee allows you to enjoy the benefits of the job security. This is one of the major reasons why people prefer government jobs over private sector. Right? Job security is another important feature of the government job. While working in the private sector, every day you will be having that fear that we don't know whether they will keep us or not in the time of the difficult situation. While we have covered so many advantages of government job. We know there are some disadvantage maybe as it is for the entrance level. If after for MBSc and MSc you may think of it is difficult to get the job in the government sector, right? So the best point is like you can start preparing from your BSc itself or MSc itself as they declare the openings also for BSc and MSc chemistry students. So best time to prepare for government job is start from now if you are in BSc, start from now if you are in MSc. So while studying your degree and post degree, you can prepare for your government job exam and clear the interview as well. You will have an experience. You can save your time after your graduation or post graduation if you start preparing for it. There is high insecurity also. So best time while studying only you start preparing for the government job, give exam. You will get to know about your stability, how much close you are to your goal. Okay, so don't worry about that there are less openings. Yeah, sometimes it is a lengthy process, the result declaration and the after result also the post you get, it may get some time, but the future is bright here because of all these points which I have covered. While private sector, if you are okay, if you don't mind long hours of working, meeting challenging deadlines, and working in a competitive, fast paced environment, then a job in the private sector may be right for you. So be ready if you are thinking of a private sector job, long hours of work. While working in government job, there is a less time consuming work. Okay, so the working hours are less in the government job as compared to the private job. Deadlines, they work always on deadlines, so you have to be on your toes day or night to meet the challenges, to finish the deadline. While working in the government job, you don't have to worry about like this point. And of course this is a competitive world, so you have to always work very hard in the private sector job to prove yourself for your growth, right? So This is another point, like if you can't go to the public sector job, then you have to join a private job, of course, right? After your BSc or MSc, you can go to private job, but you have to be mentally prepared for all this. While working here also in the private sector job, you can prepare for your government job, right? You will get the Saturday and Sunday off and you can prepare for your government job. Or you may prepare for your PhD also. Okay. So entrance test like CSIR or GATE. So one option is you can prepare for your government job while working in the private sector job. Second is you can prepare for your CSIR and GATE examination for higher study and pursue your dream. And the third is while working in private sector job, you can do your PhD here itself. You can enroll yourself in any of the university, clear the exam there, and work here in the private sector job here in your company and finish your PhD for your further growth, right? So these factors will always be there in the private sector job, while the advantages of the government jobs will always be there, which I have already covered. Now it's your decision whether you go to a private sector job, or it's your dream, or if you want to choose a private job. So public versus private. I hope this video will help you to decide up to some extent for your future. All the best. See you in the next video. Bye.